Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into something super practical. How to withdraw money from a virtual debit card in 2025. With the rise of digital banking, virtual cards have become a game changer for secure and convenient transactions. Whether you're using one for online shopping or everyday payments, knowing how to access your cash is essential. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps in a simple, straightforward way so you can do it yourself in no time. First off, what's a virtual debit card? It's a digital version of a traditional debit card, often linked to your bank account through an app. By 2025, most banks have upgraded these with advanced features like biometric security and instant transfers. To get started, make sure you have the latest banking app installed on your smartphone. Open the app and log in using your fingerprint, Face ID, or a secure PIN. Security is key to protect your funds. Now, let's get to the main steps. Step 1. Navigate to your virtual card section in the app. You'll see an overview of your balance and transaction history. Step 2. Look for the Withdraw or Cash Out option. This might be under a menu like Funds or Transfers. Select it, and you'll be prompted to choose your withdrawal method. In 2025, options could include linking to a nearby ATM, transferring directly to another account, or even using partnered services for cash pickup. Step 3. Enter the amount you want to withdraw. Double-check for any fees. Some apps have minimal charges for ATM withdrawals. Step 4. Confirm the transaction with your biometrics or a one-time PIN sent to your phone. Once approved, if you're withdrawing via ATM, the app will generate a temporary QR code or a one-time code to use at the machine. Head to a compatible ATM, scan or enter the code, and voila, your cash is dispensed. A quick tip: always withdraw from trusted ATMs to avoid scams, and keep an eye on your app's transaction limits. If you're new to this, practice with a small amount first. By 2025, virtual cards are even more integrated with smart devices, making everything faster and safer. There you have it, withdrawals made easy. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.